This question is asking us to determine what would have caused a change in the equilibrium price and quantity within this loanable funds market. It's saying that the interest rate, new interest rate, should be 8%, so it should be higher than the current 6% that we have, and that we should have a quantity of loanable funds of $75, or in this case, I guess $75 billion, which is less than what we have right now. And so we're going to just find a spot here where that would have a higher interest rate and less quantity being produced. And so how do I get to this point? Well, I've got to shift one of these curves, and the only curve that will shift and get us to an intersection point right there is that the supply curve shifts to the left. So the answer to this question is going to be one in which the supply of money available to be lent out diminishes. When we go through this, we say, letter A, capital inflows from foreign citizens are declining. That means there's less money in the U.S. loanable funds market than before. It's going to other places. And so the answer here is going to be A. But we can look and go through the rest of these and see why it's not. The federal government running a budget deficit causes an increase in the demand. So that would shift demand to the right, creating a higher interest rate, but more loanable funds being distributed. Profit expectations are less optimistic for businesses, in which case they're going to shift demand to the left, lower interest and less loanable funds. The government eliminates taxes on income earned from interest, so then you would see an increase in the supply of loanable funds as people would be able to earn interest on those loans as the lender and not face higher taxes. And consumers having a decreased consumption as a fraction of their disposable income means they're saving more, and that would be a right shift in the supply curve, leading to the entirely wrong answer as well. So in this case, the answer to 14 is A.